Son of a damn it! How long is this pizza guy gonna be here? I waited for 56 hours and he still hasn't showed up yet. Ugh, if he shows up another minute late, I'm gonna get my pizza for free, and I ain't gonna pay for it, because if he shows up late, I always get pizza free. But you know what? He showed up late, so I'm getting it for free. So ha 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 ha.
Hi, I'm Captain Cosmo. Welcome to my crew. Hold on tight. We're about to go on a space adventure where no alien has ever gone before. Planet Earth. Have you heard of it? Wait, that's where you're from? Cool. Hey, guess what? My spaceship needs to be filled up with power stars, and then we could go to Earth. Can you help me collect them all, please?
Son of a damn it! When is he gonna be here? I'm tired of waiting all day. Man, he's worser than my mom trying to show up. My mom showed up 2 years late. Man, I am tired of sitting here all day waiting for the pizza guy to show up, and he's making me mad. I'm tired of it. This is worse. I'm getting sick of it. Ugh. I'm about ready to go on a vacation to Hawaii.
You know, Mom and I are trying to save Storybook Town. We don't need you guys wrecking what's left. Now look, we're pals, right, Tom? And Jerry, you and me are friends to the end, right? So maybe you could try to get along with each other. Just for me.
Ah, that is it, you son of a damn it. That is it. Hey, pizza guy, when are you gonna be here? I've been waiting for you for 56 hours straight. You're worse than my mom, who shows up 2 years late. Well, that is it. You're not getting any money. You better come right here now and give me my free pizza now. And I don't care. Come over here right now.
Okay, so, you know how, everyone wants to be one of the cool kids? Well, you might think you want it, but my friend Carver, he super wants it. My theory is that a tiny part of your brain does nothing but try to be cool. And in Carver, this part has swollen way up and squashed all the other parts like cockroaches. It's like squish. It's like meow, meow, meow. And there's this one leg twitching. Anyway, point is, Carver has been trying to become one of the cool kids for his whole life. And, success rate, 0. But
Son of a damn it, another 56 hours. Ugh, that is it. I'm giving up right now. I'm tired of it. I've been calling that pizza guy. I waited for 56 hours. I called him again, and I waited for another 56 hours. That is it. I am done. I am so hungry. I wanted to eat a pizza. I am tired of it. I am mad now, and I'm going home. Son of a damn it. Son of a damn it. Son of a damn it. Son of a damn it.
he's a scouting robot. I can control him with this. I can see whatever he sees. And I can broadcast my voice through him.
Yeah, I figured that part out by myself.
I call him Backpack.
Backpack?
Backpack! Heel!
Cool. I wonder if I can get my pops to spring for one.
I didn't buy it. I made it. If I knew Static was friends with the Justice League, I wouldn't have joined you boneheads. Not even to do laundry.
Hey, the pizza's here. Hello? Anybody ordered a pizza? Hello? What are you doing in my house, you son of a damn it? Uh-oh. I'm out of here.